Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182 AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your systems that is not supported. So if it often happen because of this causes, this possible cause, embedded AMD Radeon graphic, legacy or old AMD Radeon graphic card, and customized AMD Radeon graphic for OEM systems. So to fix it, for example, the first solution is embedded AMD Radeon graphic. You can visit AMD driver and support. Here, usually this often happen when you are trying to install Adrenaline, the latest driver for your graphic card. But this is the special case. When you have embedded graphic card, you can use the embedded one. This one, Radeon embedded. You can click it, and you can try to search your graphic card. For example, the SD series, SD5770 embedded. You can submit, and here we go. This is the driver that you can download. Do not download the latest version, the Adrenaline. You have to download AMD embedded GPU and APU here. And also the next solution, legacy AMD Radeon graphic card. If you have or if your graphic card on this list, you have to install legacy drive. And also this is the listed below. Running on Windows 10 based system, graphic driver support is available only from Microsoft using Windows Update. So here this is the legacy driver. For example, the graphic card, sorry, you can scroll down, try to search legacy graphics. Here try to search your graphic card, for example the X series, submit. Here you can download it manually, the driver. This is the Catalyst, the classic one, Catalyst software suite. And also in the the customized AMD Radeon graphic or the OEM systems, you can obtain the latest driver from the OEM system builder or partner manufacturer. So for this OEM partner manufacturer, you can see AMD partner add-in board, original equipment and system builder configuration. So you can try to access this link. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.